So in this very video, we want to look at what President Bola Tinubu's team did in Abia State this very week, which is one of the reasons the video is tagged President Bola Tinubu praises Governor Alex Otti's performance in Abia State. As the Renewed Hope presidential media team visited Abia State to inspect key federal and state government projects. The team was led by Sunday Dare and Bayo Onanuga. As Sunday Dare described Abia's development under Alex Otti as impressive, restorative, and transformational. He also said that Abia State is experiencing remarkable progress in infrastructure and other critical sectors, right? And you know what, how politics works and how leadership works. When the likes of Sunday Dare, Bayo Onanuga speaks, it is always referred to as the president speaking, because they represent the president. They are not there as Sunday Dare. They visited Abia State as part of the presidential power, right? That is why it is part of the fact that whatever they say here represents the view of President Bola Tinubu about Abia State. And then the federal-state collaboration, which they also commended. Dare also praised the working relationships between President Bola Tinubu and Governor Alex Otti. He cited that Abia State Airport as a strong example of cooperation between both governments. Now, they also went on to, praise that the 67-kilometer Umuahia Uzuakoli, Akara, Abreba, Ohafia road. All right, so the road was fully funded by the Abia State government. It connects more than 20 communities and it features end-to-end solar streetlights. The road links farming and mineral-producing communities to the urban markets. Now, the road in question was previously neglected. Ferdinand Ekoma stated that the road has been in poor condition for nearly 20 years. The Otti administration awarded the project to 3 contractors simultaneously to speed up the completion of the road. Now, federal roads are receiving state intervention. Also includes that Abia State government has rehabilitated several government roads within the state to improve access to rural communities. The Ohafia electricity restoration is also nearing completion. The state government is close to restoring electricity to Ohafia communities after 8 years without power. A 20-kilometer 33 kV power line has been completed with Ihechiowa to Ebem, and a new 7.5 megawatt injection substation has also been installed. So these projects were part of the things that these federal team inspected upon their visit to Abia State. And again, the Abia State government, also finalizing plans to acquire a major stake in the Abia operations of Enugu Electricity Distribution Company. The move is also expected to improve electricity supply across the state. The Renewed Hope housing project was also inspected, where officials highlighted the Federal Housing Authority's Renewed Hope housing estates in Bende. The project is aimed at addressing housing challenges in the state. Now, major project inspected by Bayo, Onanuga, and Sunday Dare includes these few projects that I want to mention. The 67-kilometer road known as Joe Irukwu Road, and as well as the Renewed Hope housing estates in Umuahia, the Uzwaba Ndiokereke Amuvi Road, Ebem Ohafia Road, Omenuko Bridge, the Renewed Hope housing estate in Bende, Nnenna Oti multi-bus terminal, the Dr. Umokbai road project, that is the Tower Express Road, and as well as the Abia Airport project, right? So these were the few things that they covered as far as their visit to Abia State is concerned. And in a short way, again, just to reiterate, the Tinubu's media team gives Governor Alex Otti high marks in terms of his performance in Abia State, where the presidential officials publicly praised Otti's performance and infrastructure delivery, and also that Ohafia will be getting electricity again after 8 years. Abia also moves to take control of EEDC operations, and as well as the federal government and Otti working closely together despite party differences. Both governments appear to be collaborating on projects massively, which includes the road projects and as well as bridges, among others, airports, among others, that the Abia State government is backing upon at this very point. So this is one of the things that we hardly see as far as Nigerian politics is concerned. But again, I also have this feeling that these very move by the renewed hopers seem to visit Abia State not as members of the APC inspecting federal projects, but in collaboration with the state government on what the governor has been doing in Abia State, including what the governor has done in collaboration with the Abia State government, maybe puts to rest the idea that APC is indeed making moves to take over Abia State. I don't really know, but there's more to these very visits by the Abia State government. Maybe I'm just the one seeing it to that very angle. I think somehow I have this feeling that it's far beyond, project inspection and collaboration talks, among others. But it's a beautiful one for Abia State and as well as the people, and for the governor as well. So let's continue to watch how this is going to play out, both in Abia State and at the national level. And I was thinking that by now the Abia APC would have responded to, or maybe put out a statement regarding this very visit for President Bola Tinubu to rain praises on Alex Otti's performance in Abia State. And this performance includes projects that the governor has done for the state and the one in collaboration with the federal government, including federal projects embarked upon by Abia State government alone, right? So it's a huge kudos to the governor. And let's see how far this is going to take Abia State and as well as the administration of Governor Alex Otti. Let's see you in the next video. But before you leave, don't always forget to like this video, drop a comment, let me know what you think of this very visit and the praises from President Bola Tinubu's team upon their visit to Abia State. And do you expect more collaboration in terms of projects between Governor Alex Otti and President Bola Tinubu? Drop that take in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that each time a video drops on this channel, you'll be among the first to get the notification. Until the next one, bye for now and see you in the next.
Mr. Bayo, Onanuga, sir, the leader of the team, permit me to use you to recognize all the team members that are here tonight. His Excellency once did a piece on his this day back column a few years ago, titled "The Fish Gets Rotten from the Head," the leadership question. Without doubt, His Excellency our Governor Dr. Alex Otti, in collaboration with our amiable President, His Excellency distinguished Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, of course, writing our checkered history in Abia State, and we are very excited about it. So tonight, you can see that our people on short notice came out in large numbers to embrace you, to welcome you, to stand by you, to assure you that we are together in this journey. By the special grace of God, in fact, when the media team members met, we were asking ourselves, where are we going to start from? Because the projects are massive here. And so we would have wished that we would be spending more than a day, tomorrow to do this inspection. You will see for yourself. So the things you see out there as advertised, has been advertised by our people, are true reflection of what is happening in Abia. So as you are here, rest assured that you are home, that you are with your people, and that we are together, and tomorrow we will accompany you to go and see things for yourself. And we believe that you are going to have a very memorable experience coming to Abia State. Everywhere is peaceful and calm, people are very hospitable, and we are excited that you are in Abia today. And by the special grace of God, you are going to have a very peaceful stay in Abia State. After the inspection, you will return to your various destinations peacefully, and by the special grace of God, you will have another opportunity to come here to celebrate with us so that we will have time to talk with you. Thank you for coming to Abia State. May God grant you all journey blessings. Thank you.
Please, a round of applause for the special advisor to His Excellency the Governor of Media and Publicity, Mr. Ferdinand Ekholman. Thank you so much. Your Excellencies,